Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Honda Accord model. Always work on a level surface with the ignition off for safety. This ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Next, we'll remove the old mirror. Gently pry off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool to expose the mirror's wiring and mounting bolts. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector. It usually has a small tab to press. Then, use a socket wrench to unscrew the 3 bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for reinstallation. Now, let's install your new mirror. Carefully place the new mirror assembly onto the door, ensuring the bolt holes align perfectly. Insert and hand tighten the 3 mounting bolts, then use your wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click, ensuring all mirror functions will work correctly. Finally, reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap back into place securely. Turn on your car and test the new mirror's adjustments, including up, down, left, and right movements. If your mirror has heating or turn signal features, test those too. Confirm the mirror is stable and provides a clear view for safe driving. You've successfully replaced your side mirror.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.